First up, let's talk about budgeting. In MBA programs, students learn how chief financial officers, CFOs, manage large company budgets, balancing income with expenses and planning for future investments. Now, let's apply that to your personal finances. Think of your income as revenue and your expenses as costs. A smart budget doesn't just track spending, it sets priorities. Create categories like necessities, housing, food, utilities, discretionary spending, entertainment, dining out, and savings. Actionable tip: aim to follow the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Just like businesses plan for growth, you need to plan for unexpected costs, like an emergency fund. Next, let's discuss savings. MBA courses emphasize the importance of planning for the future. You should be doing the same, whether it's saving for retirement, a new home, or your children's education. A company sets aside funds for capital investments. You should set aside savings for your long-term goals. MBA Finance teaches us about the concept of compound interest, where your savings grow exponentially over time. Actionable tip: open a high-yield savings account and automate your contributions. This ensures that your savings grow with little effort. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compounding. Let's talk about investing. In the business world, companies invest in projects that have the potential for high returns. You can do the same with your money. Instead of letting it sit idle, invest in assets like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. MBA students learn about risk management. The higher the potential return, the higher the risk. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Actionable tip: build a balanced investment portfolio by mixing high-risk, high-reward assets with safer investments. Use platforms like robo-advisors if you're new to investing. Just like a business diversifies its revenue streams, diversify your investments. Lastly, let's tackle debt management. In MBA Finance, students learn about the importance of managing corporate debt wisely. You can apply the same strategies to your personal debt, whether it's student loans, credit cards, or a mortgage. A business monitors its debt-to-income ratio to ensure they aren't over-leveraged. You should do the same. Avoid taking on more debt than you can handle, and always pay more than the minimum on your loans to reduce interest costs. Actionable tip: use the debt avalanche or debt snowball methods to systematically pay off your debts. The debt avalanche method targets high-interest debts first, while the snowball method focuses on clearing small debts quickly to build momentum. By applying these MBA lessons to your personal finances, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt are all interconnected. Master them, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. Share your financial goals in the comments below. Let's grow together.